Viral videos on YouTube can seem like a completely unknown science because on one hand, you put so much work and effort into a video just for it to flop and not get any views. But then strangely enough, a video you put barely any work into somehow gets a bunch of views and starts doing well in the YouTube algorithm. There is definitely a pattern to going viral on YouTube, but it's not so black and white because it really depends on what niche you post videos in. Like for example, you're more likely to get a viral video if you post in the fishing or health niche rather than a very small niche like bowling. But what if I were to tell you that possibly you don't ever have to come up with another viral video again, because using AI, you can actually scan winning videos within your niche and use the AI to completely replicate them and create unlimited, unique, viral-worthy video ideas for yourself. For example, the most popular video on this channel was actually made because we used AI tools to completely source and find winning videos within our niche, which in this case was full-length tutorials in which we used an AI tool to generate us a viral-worthy video idea. And so we got over 1,000 subscribers on this channel and got a bunch of views from just one video that we used AI for. In fact, because of this simple method, we've already been accused of botting on this channel because of how fast we are growing. And just a reminder, guys, never bot your channel. That's the quickest way to make it fail. So don't ever buy bots, don't ever buy subscribers. That's a very, very horrible idea. But let's get into how we generated a popular video on this channel to get us over 1,000 subscribers and how other creators are getting millions of views by using this one super simple method to create viral videos with AI. The website we're gonna use is TubeMagic, which is an AI software completely designed to help YouTubers supercharge their channel, and it is the #1 AI tool I recommend on the entire internet. And on TubeMagic, there's a library of AI tools, but we're gonna look at 3 specific ones in order to generate viral-worthy video ideas, and we're gonna start off with the keyword research tool right here. On the keyword research tool, we're gonna put in a topic. So for this example, I'm gonna do affiliate marketing. And then now it's gonna tell me a bunch of keywords with how much views they're getting per month, the competition, and then the overall magic score. So we can actually sort through these and see Temu affiliate marketing with 5,000 views a month in the low competition. How to join Temu affiliate program, 12,000 views a month, low competition, and 9 magic score. So if I were to make a video about Temu affiliate marketing, it'd be a low competition. So if I were to get on the search results, that means 5,000 people searching would have my video pop up. 12,000 people a month searching would have my video pop up. 6,000 people searching would have a video pop up. If I was the very #1 and 50% of these people pressed on it, then I would get at least 10,000 views a month from search results alone. Here's another one, Temu affiliate program, 66,000 views a month with a low competition score. So if I make a video about the Temu affiliate program, then I am tapping into a low competition keyword with 66,000 people searching for it every single month at the minimum. Now let's try a different keyword. Let's try cooking for this example. So if I just do cooking and then I do magic score for #10, then I can see made the best chicken dinner, 2,000 views a month with low competition, log grill, 1.5K views a month with low competition. If I just keep scrolling down, look at this, Sam the cooking guy, 109,000 views a month with a high competition. And so if you're getting more views on your channel, if you have more subscribers, then you're able to pull away with some of these high competition ones because you're able to compete with the other people. But when you're just starting on YouTube, you can easily sort by the lowest ones and do low competition keywords. So the point here is you're doing keyword research to find out the best keywords, the most trending topics, so that you can get the most amount of searches for your videos and come up with really good viral-worthy video ideas. I'm gonna show you the second tool for generating viral-worthy video ideas. On the video research tool right here, we're gonna simply type in our niche. So I'm gonna do affiliate marketing once again. And then right over here on the view range, I'm gonna raise it up to 100K to 1 million or 1 million plus. For this example, I'll do 100K to 1 million. Now, once I find a channel I wanna model, I'm just gonna press on their channel name right here, and it's gonna open it up, and then I'm gonna wanna look through their most popular videos and see how many viral videos they have. So this guy, Greg Gottfried, he has 8.7, 2.2, 1.8, 1.6. So he's consistently getting money in the make money online niche. And so if this is a channel I want to model, what I'm going to do is copy the name right here, and then we're going to go right back to TubeMagic. But before we get into the next super important step, I've noticed a lot of you guys have been reaching out asking for one-on-one trainings with me to help you grow your channel. And of course, I love helping you guys, but there are too many requests for me to fulfill and do one-on-one trainings with you guys. But I've been working with TubeMagic, and we've actually actually come up with an amazing solution to this issue. We're actually doing a completely free live training that you can attend by pressing on the link in the description below. Attend this completely free training. It just has a limited amount of seating available, but you can easily secure your spot below and join us in our free training and learn the super valuable secrets to potentially 10x the growth on your YouTube channel. Like I said, it's 100% free. Come and join us and watch the free live training before you miss out. But right here, back on the TubeMagic main tool page, I'm gonna now go to the video ideas tool right here and insert the name of the channel I just copied and hit on generate. And now TubeMagic is making me unlimited viral worthy video ideas based off a channel that's already winning within my niche. So it's taking winning video ideas and making them for me using AI in literally just seconds. And I could just keep on hitting generate over and over again, and it'll make me amazing video ideas that I can do. So like example, how to create stunning print-on-demand mugs that fly off the shelves. I can make a video about that. Let's try Mr. Beast, for example. Let me go back and let me type in Mr. Beast as the handle. Now it's going to make me Mr. Beast video ideas. So surviving 24 hours in real life Squid Game. I spent 24 hours in the most haunted house. Last to leave haunted island wins $1 million. So TubeMagic is actually taking winning video ideas and using AI to completely generate them for you in seconds. And then you can have a Google Doc open in another tab and just make a bunch of video ideas in less than 30 minutes, which would usually take you an entire day of doing a bunch of research and coming up with viral worthy video ideas, which you don't even know will actually do good. And if you really want to add a bonus to making your video go viral, then copy your video idea, go back to TubeMagic's main tool page right here and go to the video scripts tool, insert it in and add some context. So I'm going to say a make money online video about selling print on demand mugs. Informational. And then I can select a template, so general script, YouTube short, a how-to, a script outline, or a list video. For this example, I'm just going to do general script, and I'm going to select a word count. So we can do, I don't know, I'm just going to do it at 800 for now, and then hit on generate. And now TubeMagic is tapping into videos with viral optimization to have people watching until the very end of the video, and now it's completely generating it for you in minutes. So here you go. Have you ever thought about creating stunning print-on-demand mugs that sell like hotcakes online? In this video, we'll dive into the exciting world of print-on-demand and how you can leverage this booming trend to boost your e-commerce sales. So as you can see, now this is going to make me an entire script based off engaging scripts that are from 10, 20, 30 million view videos on YouTube. Another tool you can use, go down to the Warp Upload tool right here on TubeMagic, and you can put in your video URL and it'll scan what's being said in the video as context, or write the context yourself. So I'm gonna say an affiliate marketing video about selling products. And I'm gonna go into hit on generate, and now TubeMagic is making me a viral title, description, and tags within seconds for my video. So as you can see, affiliate marketing, secrets for big profits, and then a description where it hits all the perfect keywords, and then all of the best tags that I can use. Most people don't know how to properly tag their videos, how to do keywords, but now you're able to do it in seconds with AI that studies it off of videos with already viral optimization. Videos that have 10 million views with amazing tags, you are now modeling them with TubeMagic's API. This is exactly how we got our most popular video on our channel, by just simply using that video ideas tool, and we created ourselves a popular video. And you guys can get TubeMagic for an entire week for only $1 by pressing on the link in the description below in an exclusive offer. And if you guys want to add what you've discovered in this video right on top of it and multiply the chances of your videos going viral by making a super engaging viral worthy script, then check out this video right here where I show you guys exactly how to do that and make a viral script.